So, on the count of go, I need you all to yell, 내 자격. 大丈夫? Go, 4, 3, 2, 1, 내 자격도. I thought I heard Robin Hood over there. Maybe one time at home. But this time looked really good. 大丈夫? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 내 자격! Oh! Oof! Why, hello there. And look at all these people out there. That's the audience teacher, Kat. And by the way, how'd you meet Hal? Let's go find him. Now Hal, meet the audience. But where are we? We're at the Shibuya Theatre. Oh! Hello there! Now Nature Guy, Hal, we have been through so many adventures together. And just like Moana said, we are voyagers. But to be honest, you see things, you explore things, and you see things on your way. You frolic things. Yep, and just what I said. You have to be strong and say it how. Frolicking! That's the spirit you got. That's the spirit how you go frolicking.